read them again. No.
Oh, I can't.
Oh, you can't. Dali. Dali. Hold this. Oh, you read. Loud ha, very loud ha. Para mommy's hear you. No, what's that? Oh, you read.
Cell phone.
Okay.
Like a phone. I can't. But
Oh, you there. You read there.
Yan.
You read there first. Oh.
Disney.
Dito one, dito.
What Disney?
Oh, you read naman na ikaw. Dali, I will give you prize. Go.
No, I don't like fries.
Jai, ayaw oh.
Dali, you read na oh.
Mommy, don't like to read po.
This one.
I don't like English. I don't like English.
It's not a English. Oh, game na, game na.
Kanta na ng lalabay, mami.
Dali na.
Asar lang.
Dali na. Read na.
Nangaasar.
Kailangan ka mag-read.
Read mo muna yung nasa phone.
Read that clearly ha.
When I was young, when I wanted to finish my studies because I wanted to go
Likot ng hands eh.
arms course
Loud.
I can hear now.
humans and social science because I what does that
Includes
includes king lion
lawyer.
let reporter journalist command leaders and other because I want to give book
Proper.
proper yes soldiers yes people I mean best sites that I also dream of going to different places like Kampong Disneyland and Batan in MT Salamat. I also dream to have parents playing motion,
Badminton.
badminton.
Yes.
Badminton.
Like a dog. Cat.
With a racket.
Just a racket. Okay.
Badminton. While I as my body support apart from that I also like to listen to music and play
Oh, nawala na naman.
and I can and play instrument and kalimba. I dream having lyre and Mama, wait lang.
Kasi lumalapit ka pa eh.
Louder.
My true friend. I need lang.
Wala kasi.
Causing friends.
Louder.
Come, my true friends, of course, above all, my family, me,
Ubin.
who have been with and me and have been my experience.
Uy, inspiration.
Inspiration in life.
Spelling.
I win!
Yes, you win. Very good.